10, boys! Lead engines on 903 and 793. Mail train like 008 in Marion.
Yeah, he has priority because he's got the DPU on the end too. Yeah.
What's the DPU?
I don't know. Probably a CSX.
So,
CSX vehicle.
so Jacob, where are you from?
Michigan.
What city?
Pontiac by Detroit.
Cool.
Oh, so you're friends with who's that guy? Oh, I saw him last November.
What's his name?
Yeah.
Who owns that channel?
Is that guy who drives the Porsche?
Yeah, who owns that channel?
Huh?
That channel that you guys are talking about. Clayton.
Supposedly there's a grain yard. Oh, it's an ace. Oh, we've got an NS train coming.
Sorry guys, there must be. There's Chad right there with that hoodie. DPU alright. Alright, that was CSX IO10. That DPU alright. 4356. Alright guys. I'll look up the CSX IO10. I'll look up the CSX IO10 train destination when I get home. Okay, bye, and that's all for now.